Remco's Science Kits open the wonderful world of science to children.
Build a telegraph set with the Thinking Boys toy. Learn jet propulsion with the Thinking Boys toy. Mystify your friends with the Thinking Boys toy. Do science research with the Thinking Boys toy.
Remco's Science Kits, 8 different science kits.
Remco's Chemistry Science Kit.
Real chemicals and test tubes.
Remco's Electric Motor Kit.
Build your own working motor.
Remco's Mechanical Physics Kit. Electrochemistry Science Kit. Printed circuits, electromagnetism, optical illusions, jet propulsion.
And that's not all. Experiments galore in each kit. Get Remco's Science Kits, only $1 each, in the handy 4-pack, 6-pack, or 8-pack. Remember, every boy wants a Remco toy, and so do girls.